Hello, I saw your question in the email, so you want you to solve this. This time it's a little different than the last one. We're going from the half closed interval 0 to 2 pi. So, you need to factor this expression, sine of theta minus 1 and 2 sine of theta plus 1. So that each factor equals 0 and solve for sine of theta. So we get sine of theta equal 1, and here we get sine of theta equals negative 1/2. Looks like you picked out the correct solutions. Where's the sign of what gives you 1? The answer is positive pi halves. And here, what gives you negative a half? What, quadrant 3 and 4. And it looks like you got those correct. I guess your question was, about the sine of 3 pi halves. Why isn't that an answer? Well, sine of 3 pi halves, why is that not an answer? Well, that would equal negative 1. You can see we've got a positive 1 here and not a negative 1 here. So that's why 3 pi halves is not a solution. Hope that helps.